Hey, hi, my name is Ritraj, and today I'm going to explain you about the project which I have built. The project name is CSB Reader. So, talking about the project, in this project, I have to build a project as a backend using Node, HTML, Express for parsing the CSV files. So, for this, this is my the project directory. In this, I have a client for static files, and in the server directory I have controllers routes, and there is app.js for running the main server. For this I have required express. Let's go into the package.json. What are the dependency which we are using for this project are body parser, csv parser.env, gs, which I am not actually using this project, express, not firebase, Malta, and not demo. So let's go into the app.js. For this project, this is my express.js. I require file roots path.env, which is not actually required in this project. I have using this for some other purposes, which I have commented out right now. App.use express.json for handling of JSON data file and starting server. And app.use API files. Our all files will be accessible through this file root. This is our root file, root access directory of this project. And let's go to the server directory. In this, we have a controller. In that, we have a file controller file. In that, I have defined it everything related to handling of file uploading and parsing the file and listing the directory. And for this, I have required mulcher for file uploading, CSV parser for handling of CSV data, FS for handling of reading the file from directory and upload the mulcher. I have defined the destination of multi file storage client uploads, and that this is the I've defined it a list for handling of directory, and there is another function get data which will handle our loading of file data from local storage to the and converting and reading it with the help of CSV and sending it to the. Yeah, this is our controllers, and let's go to the routes. In that, I have defined it all the things that is required for routing of this project. For this, I have express router, file control, multi path, storage, which actually I am not using in this. Uh, so let's comment it out. Actually, I am not using it here. Actually, I am using this. Sorry, I am using this for the file renaming. I have defined the multi specifications, multi options. I am using multi disk storage, not memory storage. And there is destination where I store the file and file name, renaming the file, whatever you say. or which files we are uploading. So first of all, we have to rename it as per our requirement. Yeah. So let's go, and there are the router for uploading the file which we are only handling by the monitor, and there is a file controller to list, and there is a router get file controller get data. This is it, and this is our index.html, which in the front end part we have a form for handling. Sorry, for the handling of uploading of a file, and there is a file list which we have not actually used, and there is a select HTML element which we will be using, yeah, updating by the fetch API, and there is a search table which will be used to search the table which we are going to update by load data. So let's go in the script.js part. Here I've defined it upload file which will be used on form. On clicking upload, yeah, this will be fetch our API files upload. If response is okay, it will load file list, call the load file list function, and here is our load file list function. This will fetch the list of directories, a list of files available in our local directory. If response is not okay, it will throw an error. Yeah, and again, response is okay, and it will check the header content type, and then it will update the select options field for each file, and there is load data which will be invoked on selecting the field in the select field which we have defined it, which will fetch the data from the backend which we have defined it in the first data. So then in that we have it, if data is available, that will be rendered by the render table which will put the create the table according to the data in that API, and there is search table which will be invoked via after creating the table. We can search the specific data via words in the table, and finally we will call load file list which will be updated if every time. So let's go to the project final version of project which I have deployed on the render. Let me show you. Yeah, this the website which is providing you the free hosting of the services. Yeah, here I have hosted, and you see, yeah, this is the cheese server is live. So let's go to site which is hosted through the GitHub repository. It is taking some time. Actually, server network connectivity issue. Let's disconnect and connect so that it will be quickly available. Yeah, it is taking so much time. I think my network issue was there. Yeah. So let me show you. This is the file front end structure. On clicking or choosing file, it will get me. Yeah, this will only accept CSV .csv extension. Yeah, while it is uploading, we can take and select. Yeah, this is it. Let me give it another. Thank you.